Hey guys, Vern Dahnke here. So today's question is, I'm buying a brand new camera that has the ability to interchange the lenses off of the body. And they offer a kit lens option. What lens do I buy as my first lens in a kit lens package? Well, let's figure that out.
Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, click, click.
So the first choice based upon usability, if I were to do basically indoor shots, low light shots, anniversary, maybe capture a friend's wedding, maybe you wanted to just get a scene and it's starting to get kind of dark out, I would choose the 50 millimeter as a kit option. It's just the best overall lens and you can use it in a low light possibility, but it has to be a low f-stop, preferably 2.0 or less, and that will be a great overall lens. And that's what I would start off with, a kit lens. If you tend to use your cell phone camera, which has a fixed lens, I think they're close to 28 millimeter, then that would be something that you're similar to. You could go down to a 35 millimeter fixed lens. But if that's the style that you use, then I would start out with a fixed lens. Now, if you are the type that you're out traveling and you're like, ooh, look at the mountain over there, I want to get that mountain shot. Oh, I want to get that bear or that bird or that dog or that cute kid, and you're just kind of all over the place, but most of your shooting is in average to fantastic lighting, then I would start with the zoom. That would be my choice. This is my choice. And I started with the 18 to 135 Canon. And so every company will offer one or two or three kit lens options. And so use your thought of where that lens would be best used at for making that first initial choice, okay? Now the second choice is based upon cost. Now I've noticed that when the camera companies put out a camera body with a lens kit option, usually there will be a zoom in there of some sort. It could be a 16 to 35, it could be a 18 to 135. Now, what I've noticed is the savings is usually $100 to $200 cheaper to buy the body with the kit lens option than it is to buy it pieced out in several pieces, buying the body and buying the lens. Now, if you think that you'll be doing several different styles of shooting, starting with needing a telephoto, I'd usually buy the telephoto first because quite often the fixed lens is not always expensive. Now, don't quote me on that. It depends on what kit lens, fixed lens that they offer, okay? So I would base the first choice on cost if I were going to buy several lenses over the long haul. And I would buy the first lens that I'm going to save the most money. That's where I would pick my first choice. Because this lens here, this nifty 50, this is only a $200 lens. Whereas this 18 to 135 is a $500 lens. And I think there was almost a $100 to $200 savings with this lens, but for $200 I could buy this lens. So I thought, okay, it's a no-brainer. I'm going to save the money buying the camera with this kit lens, and then when I have enough money, I'll spend the extra 200 bucks and I'll buy the 50 millimeter nifty 50 lens. And that seemed to work out the best for me. So hopefully that helps you with your lens kit, body kit lens option ideas. I know for me, I had to sit there and think that over. Gosh, what do I want? What am I going to use this camera for? How am I going to need this? What's the idea of spending all this money about? And am I going to need to spend more money later? And all that goes through your head, and you want to make the best choices possible. And without getting other knowledge from other people, it's really hard to do. And it comes down to basic ideas and how you're going to use that camera. And that's what I've discovered, and it helped me along those lines, and hopefully that will help you. So if I've helped you in some way, just throw me a like. Subscribe if you can, please. I noticed half of the users that watch my videos have not subscribed. And you know what? It would really help me if you could do that. It would just take a moment of your time And I have to have 1,000 minimum subscribers to be able to start making any AdSense money, and I've got a long ways to go. So if you guys could help me with that, that would be greatly appreciated, okay? Thank you very much.